Alright, so now I'm in Unreal, and what I'm gonna do is just to show you guys um, something to make it a lot easier for Unreal to run if you have like a low-end like laptop, PC, whatever. You go into settings here, and down below you go to engine scalability settings, and here you go to low. Normally you're on Epic, and that will slow down your like computer by a lot. So I'd recommend just go into settings, engine scalability, and then low, as well as material quality level will be low. Once you click on low here, it's gonna glitch for a second. Like it's not gonna crash. It's just taking a little bit of time to load, and then afterwards you can move around the scene a lot better. Yep, and there's settings, and then you gotta probably build lighting. Cool. You'll get errors here, but you can ignore it for right now. Um, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna import the forest, and I think it's still loading. God damn it! All right, so yeah. So now I'm gonna import the forest. I'm gonna go to File and then Import into Level, and then here is where I try and find just where I imported everything. So I'm gonna go to Bamboo Forest, Open, and then I select the folder I saved it in or want to save it into, and then hit OK. All right, and in this, yep, it's loaded. It looks fine. All right, and you make sure under meshes, in seed under meshes, you go into import static mesh, and then as well as in skeletal meshes tab, you make sure that the import animations is on, as well as you can like mess around here. I set it on exported time. Um, well, I don't think yeah, it doesn't have any animations, so this one should be fine. If it's like the tunnel or any other type of animation, it should be fine, but this has nothing. So I'll just import it as is. It has loaded. Clear, and then close that. Cool, it's loaded. Yeah, look at that. Sweet. All right, so that's loaded. Um, Now to import the tunnel. So I'm gonna start importing that. I'm gonna go to File, Import into Level, and then I'm gonna click on, yeah, let's click on New Tunnel, see if that works out, and then Open, Tunnel. So you just select the folder, hit OK, and then here is where I make sure the Import Static Mesh is on. I go to Skeletal Meshes, I turn on Import Animation, and for the tunnel to work, what worked for me was setting it at exported time. You can also select set range, but it sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. What worked for me was setting it up at exported time. So you can play around with that, see what works best for you, and then I'll click import. And then I cross my fingers and hope this worked. Um, Damn it, it did not work. Ha 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 ha. That's okay. So some of the stuff that could have gone wrong was that I didn't bake it and then I just exported it, or I forgot to click on some kind of setting. So that is a-okay. I have a backup that actually does work. So I'll just delete that. And let's say I go into Maya, fix the settings and everything, and then I'll just re-import it. And I'll just click that, open, tunnel, hit OK, make sure that's on, that is on, cool, and import. Hello. All right, sweet. So, haha, it's all good. After that, I'm gonna go into scenes and then add level sequence. And then yeah. Normally, you can just add a new sequence here. Let's say I put like train or scene test. I'll just put it at that. Then click save. Then this pops up. And normally you can like dock it if it doesn't pop up like you want it to. You can just, yeah, dock it here, there. Wow, cool. I like docking it like this just so I can drag and drop stuff into there. Um, Now different ways to set this up. What you can do is either go to track, actor to sequencer, and then you select FBX tunnel. But if there, that for some reason, if like this tunnel does not import and it's not in the scene at all, what you can do is drag and drop the FBX scene right here and just, you know, drag it, put it there, and it should pop up fine. Don't select the skeleton or the tunnel or whatever the heck. If there's something else over here and it's not like the FBX scene, um, it might act a little weird. So I'm gonna go to track here, actor to sequencer, and then select the tunnel. And after that, I'm gonna drag and drop the animation into the sequencer. Yep. And then it's working here, and I can like shorten this up. Oh, almost forgot. It's at 30 frames per second here. I'm gonna put it at 24 frames, and then I'm gonna play it. Cool. It is playing. Yay.